Hey there, code crafters. Welcome back to our Flutter Wonderland. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of cameras. And as always, we're going to sprinkle some humor on our code because who said coding can't be fun? So grab your wands, keyboards, and let's get started. Alright, wizards and witches of the code realm, let's conjure up a new Flutter project. Open your favorite IDE. I'm using Android Studio because it's like the magical spellbook of coding. In this incantation, we're creating a new Flutter project called Camera Magic and stepping into its magical realm. Every wizard needs some secret ingredients, right? Open your pubspec.yaml file, our potion recipe book. We're adding the camera package for capturing the magic moments in Path Provider to navigate through the spell directories. Now, let's cook up our magic potion in main.dart. Remember, a good wizard always starts with a material app. We're ensuring that Flutter is initialized and getting the available cameras before launching our magical app. Now, let's build the structure of our enchanted app. We'll create a My App widget with a sprinkle of material design and camera magic. So create a stateful widget named as camera screen, and inside camera screen, create a list of camera description as cameras and refer this screen from my app. So our My App widget sets the home screen to a magical camera screen and passes the available cameras. If you noticed, our camera screen widget is a stateful widget because we're going to be changing things dynamically. No crystal ball needed. Time to unlock the secrets of camera control. Our camera screen state will be our guide through the lens of magic. So let's create a camera controller variable as controller in future of initialize controller future to initialize our camera. Now let's create a init method, and inside it, we're initializing our camera controller with the first available camera and a medium resolution preset. The initialize controller future is a magical incantation to ensure our controller is ready. So now let's build our camera view. Let's display our camera view on the screen where the magic happens. We're using a future builder to handle the asynchronous initialization of our camera controller. When the connection is done, we display the magical camera preview. If not, a loading spinner keeps the suspense alive. Now, what's a magical adventure without a touch of humor? Let's add a button that shouts, say cheese, in a language only coders understand. So here I'm creating a floating action button. Our floating action button triggers the camera to capture a magical moment. We then save the image to a path description so that you can have a look onto it. So now let's run our app. As you can see, we have a Kaivar result. Camera is opened and we can click the pictures. And there you have it, code crafters. A Flutter app that captures moments with a touch of magic and humor. Remember, coding is an enchanting journey, so keep exploring and crafting your spells. Until next time, happy coding, and may your bugs be as elusive as pixies